Hi everyone!
Thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to be doing a video on prom makeup. So my cousin MacKenzie came over and we did do her prom makeup and we filmed it for you guys.
Before we get started, want to let you know a couple of things. She does have a green prom dress with some gold accents in it. So that was the inspiration we used to create this look. She also is 18 and this is her senior ball. She doesn't usually wear makeup, so we wanted to give her something that looked very natural but at the same time was very prom appropriate.
So let's get started.
To start off the look, I will be using NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. I like this primer for days where I really need my eyeshadow to stick. And since MacKenzie here will be dancing the night away, possibly shedding a few tears, we don't want her eyeshadow to budge. Okay, so I think we're going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette for the majority of this look. And I'm going to start out with Rollin' in Dough just to set her primer. Next I'm going into So Bougie, which is a nice crease color. Okay, next I'm going to go in for Holla for a Dollar, and I'm going to use this just on the outer corners to give her a little smoky eye. And we're definitely using chocolate gold on her lid. She has a green dress with gold accents, so I didn't want to overwhelm her lid with more green. And I'm applying this wet. Alright, I'm going back into So Bougie and dipping a little bit into Cocoa Truffle just to blend in that gold shade into her crease. Then I'm going back into Rollin' in Dough just to highlight a little bit of her brow bone. And then I will finish off her eye look once Emma's done with her foundation. So we're moving on to Emma's turn.
Okay, so first I'm going to take the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer and I'm going to prime her face. Next, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Snow, and I'm going to obviously put foundation on her face.
Emma's next step is to use her Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair to apply a few dots underneath MacKenzie's eyes. She did blend this in with her fingers. You can use a beauty blender or a concealer brush to blend it in, but Emma just felt like her fingers did the best job at this point. She also applied a little bit over any blemishes that MacKenzie had and in the crease on MacKenzie's nose and cheek. She blended the blemish concealer in with her fingers and then used a brush to blend in the nose crease.
I'm applying powder to her face to set her foundation, and I'm using the e.l.f. loose powder. I'm going to fill in her brows next, and I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse in Taupe. So next, I'm going to bronze up her face with the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. So taking the same Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to use the blush shade. I'm going to be highlighting her cheekbones now, and I'm going to again take the Sweet Peach palette and I'm going to take the highlighter shade. I'm going to highlight her cupid's bow and the bridge of her nose with the same highlighter color.
Okay, returning to MacKenzie's eyes and going back into that chocolate gold palette by Too Faced. I'm going to be using the color Moneybags, and I'm really just going to be very careful about how much I put on the outer corner. I don't want to cover up too much of that Halafa Adala, but I do want to add this color underneath her eyelashes, and I want it to blend in seamlessly. And now I'm just going to blend this on her lower lash line. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette just to get a little bit more bright green on the lower lash line. And I'm going to take the shade right here. Back into the Gold Bar palette, and I'm going to use the color Rich Girl. We're going to use Halafa Adala again and put it on the upper lash line in place of eyeliner, just to create a tiny line. Okay, so we're going to curl her eyelashes next. And of course we have to use my Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. Best stuff ever invented. And for her lips we're using Maybelline New York Matte Ink in number 15 Lover. So that is a completed look on MacKenzie for her senior ball. And that is it for MacKenzie's prom makeup. Thank you so much to my niece, Emma's cousin, MacKenzie. We really hope that you had fun at your senior ball. If you like this video, please make sure you give us a big thumbs up down below. That lets us know that you enjoy this type of video and we can continue to make more of them for you. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We post 2 beauty videos a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Tea and Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We do have an emphasis on drugstore and more affordable brands. However, Emma has a Too Faced obsession.
And I do most of my teen takes higher end.
In the comments section below, let us know what kind of makeup you wore for your senior ball or junior prom. For me, I honestly don't think I knew more than how to apply some basic eyeliner and brown eyeshadow and some mascara and lipstick. I think that was the extent of it. I don't think I wore any foundation whatsoever, probably not any blush either, but in any case, let us know down in the comment section below, what did you wear for your prom makeup? We would love to know. I bet you some of those are some hilarious stories as well. Please make sure you connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with Emma under Emma_N_2004. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we can't wait to see you in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!